So guys, I'm actually on the phone with JEGS right now, ordering this oil pan gasket and oil pan.
Alright, so sorry to keep holding. Yeah, we actually have a coupon going on right now, so I will just take that off of there. You can't use the coupon and match price, but the coupon is for $20 off, so that made it $191.74.
Okay.
And then there's of course sales tax, so it's going to be $205.16.
All right, and I can pick it up today?
Yep. You can pick it up. It'll be ready for you in an hour. And let's see here. This is
So here I am, guys, at JEGS. This place is amazing. Like, there's no reason why you shouldn't just come into the store instead of ordering something online. This is actually the distribution center. The place is pretty iconic, has some iconic nostalgic race cars in the showroom, sweet magazine covers. It's dope. But I'm here getting that oil pan. But yeah, man, this place is pretty sweet. So very unique situation where I'm able to like cars and live in the same city as the distribution center and get all the stuff I need right away, even on a Sunday. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ D Wandre D double R D Reed D. I got something for y'all today. Got some new parts. I want to show y'all real quick. Hey, I want to show you guys these new parts I just got from JEGS. From JEGS. All right. All right, so this is the muscle car oil pan kit. Oh, you gotta watch them. You gotta watch them. Look, this was in there. I could have lost it just now. You gotta watch these guys. The packaging is kind of loose. Let's get a big overall look at this. You can get an overall look. So we got an oil pan dipstick right here. We'll need this. And then got the pickup tube. Everything looks good and new though, you know, it's supposed to be new. You gotta make sure when you go to install this, pay close attention to that. And one thing I remember from doing my cam and my GA, that was a big deal, it was a pain too. Here is the actual oil pan. It's pretty shallow. It's got all the bolts in it, already ready to go. It's got a gasket on it. I thought it was a great deal because literally I was looking for an oil pan gasket. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the fitment of the truck oil pan in my G-body, and then I was gonna have to buy a gasket and these bolts. So what better way to get everything taken care of than in one shot and get an upgrade at the same time. So to me, it was a no-brainer. And then you have all your windage tray bolts and nuts right here. I must say I'm pretty impressed so far. I haven't installed it yet, of course, but I'm pretty impressed. I also got a coupon. They gave me $20 off, which made it cheaper than Amazon or any of the other websites online. $20 off an order of $200. This was like $211, so it brought it to like $190 something. Then I paid tax and brought it back to like $205. But yeah, I'm pretty excited, and it's all new. It's important. I seen this thing on Amazon, and usually I just buy the first thing I see on Amazon because they have the best price typically. But I would have had to wait. I would have paid a couple dollars more. If I had any issues, it would have been a pain in the butt to return it. I called the dealership, the local dealership. This same kit was like $260 something. And they didn't have everything in the kit. No, they didn't have the kit available today. They were gonna have to get it from another dealership. It was gonna be like Tuesday before they can get it. And I called JEGS. They had it in their warehouse, which I just so happened to be lucky enough to live within 5 minutes of their warehouse. So can't stress enough, guys. Shop around, check the prices, and just be strategic. Be strategic with your bill, because every dollar counts. I've wasted a lot of money just buying parts that I don't need, and then I forget to send them back. If you can, buy something local, so if you have issues, you can take it right back. But just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. Actually, all right, guys, so this is the truck oil pan off the 5.3, and this is the oil pan from the muscle car kit from GM. As you can see, it's shorter, which is gonna give you more clearance. This is a lot deeper. It's gonna hold a little bit more oil, but it's gonna be closer to the ground. You're gonna risk, maybe busting the oil pan, which could lead to, maybe seizing up the engine or something like that. Also, one thing I did notice is if you come over here, let's bring the camera over here real quick. On the 5.3, you have this hole for a low oil indicator, I believe, whereas you don't have that on the muscle car, which most of us who are swapping these into the older cars, we're not too concerned about that sensor anyways. But I just want to give you guys a side-by-side visual of what you're looking at. And then just look how much prettier the brand new one is, All the bolts in there, ready to go. Brand new gasket, compared to this one. It's all nasty. I mean, I could clean it, but, let's be honest. This is one less thing I got to worry about.